I didn't make this piece big enough. I made it square, and I need to make it a different angle. But I've got to figure out how to get the shape they want. So basically, it needs not to be flat this way. It needs to match this curve, but it also needs to roll. What's weird is normally you would take a pattern off of this and duplicate it, but this is wrong, and they gave me a reverse pattern, which is just difficult to sit and figure out because they didn't catch every angle I needed, but I'll get it figured out. That was a line that I had picked just by, I kept checking the car. This is relatively flat, and that little shrink will actually go away. What we're using is the Tin Man Garage ink. This is a radius gauge. Basically each spot is a different radius, and the numbers correlate to sizes of dies in the planishing hammer and some in the power hammer. And then we're able to measure as we go across that we're consistent with a 12. What was wrong with this is it's flat. The part that we made, and I'll put it up here in just a second, it has like a bulge here. Basically it was wrong, and it's like, okay, well then they made that fixture off one, and what it is this is fine, it's just more round this way. I have a really nice line where it comes down, because it seemed like about 2 inches through here. This is where we're at so we're finishing all the metal in here. There was another spot that Ben saw, so.
Now I know.
And this is where all the damage was. He started noticing that this was concave, that was flat, so then we've been bringing all of that up. It would have just been a 1/4 inch thick right here, just from right there to right there, so.
Well, the last time when I